Hey guys, it's Camper Beast. I've, with the holidays and stuff, I didn't have a chance to really make any videos, but I wanted to show off some of my block and tackle skills. As you can see there, the jack holding up the front end. You can see why I'm doing that. The front tire's up off the ground. There's the new SHINKO 705 front tire. Getting ready to put on. God, that sun is horrible. Sorry. There you go, maybe get a little bit better idea on the tread. But there's the other side. Got it blocked up, as you can see on both sides. Jack underneath there, tire off the ground. New tire right there. So, that means we're putting a new tire on. So, see how this goes. I actually had to take someone to the doctor. Rest of the day's mine. Good to go. Alright guys, Camper Beast out. I'll get back after I get the front tire off. I'll take another video, show you how I bust the bead on it. Kind of some southern ingenuity. Camper Beast out. See you. Pretty simple. Just needed a 8mm to take the ABS sensor out, put the bolt right back in. I'm gonna have to take, I believe this is a 12mm, because see right now the tire's actually loose. It's just sitting there on the ground. The axle, front axle comes out nice and easy. There it is. There's the bolt, the nut. All you gotta do is loosen these two 10mm bolts up, and that's just lets the shaft just slide right out. One soft little tap with the rubber mallet, and she popped right out of there. So now I got to take off the two calipers, hang them off to the side on each side. It would actually clear right now. You could take the wheel out, but the rim hits the calipers on the inside right here. So you got to gently take these off and set them off to the side. There's no need to break any lines loose. That way you don't have to re-bleed the brakes or any of that kind of stuff. So we'll see what's next. Just got to take that off, and once I get the tire off, I'll show you what we're going to do next. See you. Switch back over to a ratchet. This is a 10mm with an extension on it, 3/8. Pop those two bolts right there off. You can see now I just got my calipers, or my calipers are just kind of hanging out the side, on both sides. You can see the other one. It sits in there just like that. Put that in there, that there. Two bolts go right there. Pop it off and just kind of let it hang over here. It's not going to hurt anything. And then slide your tire out. Just like that. And now we have a tire that we're going to drop, knock over, and try not to mess up your brakes, your rotor there. So next thing I do is put some wood down so I can have the rim up off the ground. I'll put a couple nice wood blocks down, set the rim up on the block so I don't mess up any of the rotor. And sorry, I'm not paying attention to the sunlight. And start busting the bead loose. So see you in a little bit. Camper Beast out. See ya. Officially broke the bead on it. As you can see, my man, that sun is horrible. Holy moly. Close this door down some. Okay. Two of them. As you can see, we got the bead broke. Kind of a generic way of doing it, but it works. You just keep tightening, and all of a sudden it just poof. Bead breaks. You go around, start popping around the edges. It does it on both sides. Let's see. Nice and clean. Just don't get it too close to the rim. But alright, I'm going to take this tire off, pop the new one on. Keep rocking and rolling. You can see everything went back on okay. The new tire looks freaking great on here. Thing's got some meat on it. Everything went back on nice. Had one little nick right there I had to fix. Got it. So, but everything went back together. The brakes, it was actually very easy. I torqued the front axle to 45 foot-pounds of torque. Well, went good. Once I got the bead broken off, it wasn't too bad. I would say get the rim protectors, because I have my own, and it'd been a lot easier with the real rim protectors. Mine worked, but again, I did nick it on one side over there, so I would get those. But just a couple of good heavy-duty screwdrivers is all I used. Popped that baby right out there. Hell yeah. So, now the only thing is I got the air pressure set at 36 pounds. And I'm going to go take it for a spin, see how she does, make sure the brakes are still working good. And that's about it. Camper Beast out. Man, that sun sucks. Yeah. Shut it down. I have to do this little editing. There we go. Much better. Alright, there's the 705 on the back. Now we got the 705 on the front. Looks good. I like it. I don't know why I want to spring. I like it a lot. But got the little dots on the little red dot lined up perfectly with the air. There's a little red dot down there. I don't know if you can see that. Little red dot. That lines right up with the air chuck, or the air stem. Valve stem, not air stem. Anyways, went pretty smooth. I can't wait to try it out. SHINKO 705 and 2014 Suzuki V-STROM 1000. She's so pretty. Alright, Camper Beast out. See you guys. 100 miles on that SHINKO 705 front tire. I'll tell you what, man. So far, so good. I love it. Rides good. High speed, water. Ran it through some dirt today. Did really well. So, and again, just to kind of go back through again, all you really got to do is just pop this brake caliper loose. Of course, take your axle out. Take out your ABS sensor. Sorry, axle, ABS sensor. Take your calipers out, and that's about it. I believe that I looked it up. It's 45 foot-pounds is what this has to be torqued to. Be careful, don't bend these, or you can take them off. I did take them off, but I have wood blocks that I put on the rims to protect these, so the rims up off the ground when I'm changing it. And just make sure you have your rim protectors and the right type of crowbars for popping off. They haven't built specifically for motorcycle tires, so. But if you guys got any questions or if I can answer anything, let me know. See ya.